today we're working on another area on my patio. We're going to be planting my raised garden bed. It's taken a while for me to figure out what I wanted to do there, but I've decided that I want to go with a natural blue-green plantscape. Overall, I like pretty minimal design, so we're only going to be using a handful of low-maintenance plants for this project. Some of the plant types that we're going to be using are agaves, ice plant, chalk sticks, birds of paradise, and some grasses. A few weeks ago, we added this giant birds of paradise in this back corner. We've since decided that we want to incorporate a little more gradation into this bed. So the first thing we're going to do is raise the bird up, add some more dirt along with some small boulders in to create a sort of mounded effect. After we raise our birds of paradise up, we're going to stage our rocks and plants. Once we're liking the overall design, we'll start planting, working our way from the tallest plants in the back to the lowest plants in the front. Finished up, you can see that we planted the chalk sticks and the ice plant a little more sparse so that they have room to grow and fill in. We used a few blue fescue plants along with two grasses that are called pink flamingo mully. We used an agave blue nova, an agave ray of light, and an agave attenuata. We also have our lush birds of paradise in the back corner, and then we put in a few rocks to help break up this space a little bit. This bed receives direct sunlight throughout the middle of the day, and we chose these plants because they're tolerant of full sun. Starting out, we'll water this bed once a week, and then we'll transition to once every 2 weeks once the plants are a little more established. We'll be sure to update you all once everything fills in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.